So just step on them people because they're viral. That's how me feel. That's how me feel. What the fuck? Me a dunce. Me a done said. So why nobody no feel say done said have no sense? Why no feel say people maybe not have a whole heap of education, but we have sense. We sensible enough to know when somebody use we. When sensible enough to know say somebody style we. You understand me? And you put all I blame on me. And next throw word on top of it. Like your job so look how word make people see what you say and next you pretend like say. Oh yard. Alright. I say nothing so. See what God I gotta do. Good for stay up on your own. Good for dep on your own and not give a fuck. You see me? Cause all along me did dep on my own. Me did alright. I swear to you. I not run down no viral, but I always been pushing my thing. You get me? But this thing is so fucked up when I look on it. And it's not about education, it's about what you see. Right? I'm not too extra. I just not like me because I'm straight up. I don't like me because I speak my mind. You see me? I don't like me because I speak my mind. I don't feel like I don't want to take bumbuckler advantage of me. I'm not going to make none of you take no advantage of me. You understand me? I'm going to always speak my truth. I'm proud of anything I have. All if I'm poor. I mean, I'm a board house. I can't afford a meal for the day once I now come at your yard come beg. But you see, one thing me always do is speak my motherfucking mind. You understand me? And free myself. I now go do things so please don't know. That's just me. God got me. I'm not waiting on you to do anything for me. I'm not waiting for you to give me a cup of water. I'm not waiting for you to fulfill my hopes and dreams. I'm not waiting on you to feel good about myself. So why should I make you fight me in life? So why should I make you fight me in life? And I just appreciate no fun to come off of my stream. I swear to God. That would appreciate. I would appreciate like a lot of you just ease up off of me. Who this? I'm a woman. Hey, give me some water. Me rooted. You give me some water. Alright, so your man with the way calling.
You have some water with that drink?
Yeah, better some my water.
I didn't say if I said I make up my mind if we go search place.
Yeah, then so when I done, I say man then there, so I feel there with them, so I'm just wait.
Feel alright?
I'm feeling alright, of course.
Oh, wait a go. Wait process I go.
You lose weight, my belly?
Yeah, yes, I lose weight.
No look bad.
Best know what dimmer part lose weight like. Give me some? Or give me some?
I tell you the truth, yeah.
We touch up on your face.
Lush.
Yes.
Alright, so me go talk on my stream when me build. Or when me don't talk, me go relax a little bit and do what me do. Right? Alright. You want to tap up the screen, you would be nice. If you want to bless my life, you would be nice. But just don't want nobody change me. I don't want nobody tell me what to do. You understand? My changes will it will come within. That me believe in. You know? I maybe move this way because I feel like I protect myself sometime, or sometimes my emotion come out so wrong. But me I'm a very emotional person. What's when I feel hurt? What's if I think I didn't do the right things and next booms and it just come up in my face like me feel betrayed, or me feel like it did not supposed to go like that. This is my stream. So I'm gonna relax and I'm gonna do what I want to do on my stream and feel comfortable. Alright? You can give me your opinion because my comment section is open. But sometimes I feel like I'm too much just like me. Right? So if a person can give them honest opinion, that would be okay. You understand me? You don't have to embarrass a person or disrespect a person if you tell them your true mind. You maybe gonna feel a little way because you're talking truth. But me feel like a real friend or a real supporter gonna say, yes, baby, this is what you do. Right? But nobody never did I do all of this disrespect. I don't think so. Right? So is it because of my stream? Oh, keep down. I can open it up back. Right? Someone speak my mind. If you don't want to hear, when you come off of my stream. If you're okay by listening, I bless you for that. I'ma thank you. Alright? Alright? I'm gonna ask you if you want. You can even bless the life if you want. Everybody make mistakes. And sometimes you take a leap in life, like you're in a one little box. And you decide you want to take a leap and try something else. You understand me? Because to me, the world is wide open to try. I know everybody come with this big education. Some of we end up go to school, we don't get certain things we only get. But we try same way. Even try harder. Even try harder. Right? Me no shame on myself. You understand me? Me love myself by trying. Me street smart, me smart enough, me sensible enough to know when a person will rate you. Me sensible enough to know when a person will like you. Me sensible enough to know how to hustle to make me money. Me sensible enough to have hopes and dream like everybody else. So why not try? Right? Why not try? You only live once.
Is that you?
You only live once. A whole heap of people get hold back because them not have no education, so them scared. A whole heap of people because you can't spell the big words. We get scared. A whole heap of women don't reach an airport because of this. Because you want things say illiterate. No, you don't. Me can't read a proper sentence. Me maybe just can't spell the big words. But that now go hold me back. You understand me? What's I have responsibility? I have kids. I have a plan. I have hopes. I have dream. I determine. I determine a fuck. Because no mother never do it for me. And no father never do it for me. I know everybody got a piece of land. I know everybody born with gold spoon in their mouth. And everybody grew up in this nice home and get love. Somehow we have to go out there. Me hate the way how me letting people. Me hate the fucking way how me letting people, bro. Me very much emotional. That's how me stay. But me hate the way how me letting people and people just. Me hate that fucking way about me. Letting people and then just take a sit, then just, use me. Or make me feel used. I want to stay in my own little box right now. Right? I not run down the viral. My kids them for do that. Right? I just want to enjoy life. Because I know it's a life out there. You see me? I'm not going to make nobody stop me from doing what I want to do. There's a whole big world out there for take on. Sometimes when you sit down and just, one look a box, you look a community, you look a ghetto, you don't feel like nothing else out there for you. Sometimes you have to take a leap, go out there. You understand me? And you, of course. Of course. I will be. I definitely will be. I don't need nobody to be proud of me, but just know I'm proud of myself. You understand? I'm not really lash out on certain things. I just feel like talk my mind so I can feel comfortable because maybe I'm a talker. I not really keep friends. When I try to get close to people sometimes, people I really like. Yeah, I never really like you if you take your hand for them, That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's true. So if now I feel bad about something, I know me go here say, oh, me can't talk about it. You can't talk about this. Why? Right? Because everybody I go come around upon you. Everybody I got this. Everybody I got that. Fuck them. Really? Really? Me hate the fact when I struggle with it, what people I think is more likely me feel a way because of certain situation. It's a fact when me hate is how me letting people and me end up feel hurt afterwards. Me hate the fact where me a one mother where me I tell you the truth. All if me not have it, I always try to make sure my pitney them good. And the thing is this, even if me not had no food to give them, Father God provide that so me can feed them. Sometimes I not have food, or sometimes I not have money for send them to school. I remember days me have to keep them home because I don't know where them I go eat. You get me? But I make sure so I can keep them together. I even a meal. Sometimes me as a mother sit down not even eat, me can eat out of pot. I remember them the days there. You see me? You sit down and make sure you put it there and eat. I maybe make mistake, and I see where I go wrong. You understand? You see, because, you see, like to me, or how I feel then, or how I see things, if a person do something for me, also if you do good for me, I go think it hard for disrespect you. And it's just the truth. It's just the truth. Right? You see me? And it's just the fucking truth. If a person do good for me, I'm a rate you no fuck. I'm a see what you do in my life, it makes sense. I go think it hard for disrespect you. And it's just the fucking truth, bro. Right? I say a lot of things when I feel cut up about. And I feel a way if I express myself, people want to look for me away. You see me? would never sell my kids them. Maybe that a dig me no bumbo clot. I would never sell my fucking youth to a man. You want to cut me up with that blood clot. And people are going to say, don't this, don't cry. I cry because I feel away. But you now say I sell my pitney them. None of you don't know me. I swear to God. No one here for nobody. No one here for nobody, bro. I don't want to hear from nobody. I'm not here for nobody. I'm not here for nobody. I'm dead serious in my life. You know how much night I can't have food for my pitney them? You know how much time I can't send my pitney go to school? Eh? You know life fuck up sometime. I know you come and you say you sell a youth. You see me? I want thing that will hurt you. Fuck. I give a fuck when nobody say. I sell my body for me youth them. My con man for me youth them. My hustle for me youth them. Sometimes I just keep them in a blood clot house and make them not go around people. If they not beg them nothing, I do everything for them. You see me? Now can't tell me now I sell me youth. Bro, if you ever know I feel cut up. And next me see in a fucking video where you admit and say me sell me youth for true. Me feel like a bumbucklad person when I want to disappear. You hear me tell you straight to you for my life, bumbucklad. Me feel cut up. I don't know me can't hold in back bumbucklad me emotion because I know me would sell me youth them. I rather keep them around me. Sometimes you don't have all clothes. Sometimes you don't have clothes. You don't have food. But you may have a look around. Nobody not help me. No family no family no help me, no. I no family member for help me, no. And that me I tell you, no. And me alone just do my thing. I'm glad when I reach a level where me I see things where me say, wow, you know. I reach a level where me have to thank the Almighty cause I reach far. I can't live to see all my birthday and I have to thank God for these simple things. Simple things are your blessing. Everything when I do it from my heart. I don't pretend with nobody. I just rank and face there. If you try to fuck around me, I guard myself and I cuss you. If you diss me, I diss your blood clot. You understand me? But when you meet me in person, you fuck for know a woman me is. I swear to you upon my life. If you meet me in person, you're surprised to know a type of woman me is. Me I wonder why people hate me that much. I swear to you. Me I wonder if there's something about me. Bro, who keep on send me that request, man? Oh no. Me hear somebody say to me, say, Annie, I told you don't cry on social media and breaking down and all of that. May I tell you the truth? I rather go through my pain and express it with my shame more than pretend and keep it inside. You understand me? I'm not that person, so you can't like me for who me no is. You gonna like me for who me is. If I want to cry and I feel hurt in a life, and this is how I release my stress and talk about my pain, I'm going to do that, right? And you can't tell me, say me I go break down. You can't tell me that. You can't say it to me, but me know something when me work from. And when me go down on my knee and pray to my God, I know nothing good. I may not be a woman, but just know say my God is real and him good and him protect him pitney them. You understand? I want to by myself. I want to by myself. Not part with no company, nobody. Everything will work out for me. You see me? Each person will go around. Me don't know what. Like, really? Bro, I feel cut up. I feel cut up your fuck. Alright, let me talk about something I want to talk about. Look on this, right? I see a video last night. And for sure you say, you can't come on social media contact. You can't come on social media contact about me.